welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Asta and I make art, travel, lifestyle and mostly DIY content on here, and this video is the start of a new makeover series on this channel. If you guys follow me on my social media, you know that I am designing or creating my own art studio space, and I decided to vlog the process. Of course, I will also be making a whole separate video of the full compilation of the makeover process, but I also wanted to record an unfiltered version of this because I love watching videos like that, and I hope you guys do too. So this will hopefully be the first of many videos or vlogs on this series. So I'm gonna start by sharing my thought process for this makeover or for the studio space, but before that, let me first show you the space. This is what the space looks like. This room is on the top floor. It is an open space. It does not have a door and it gets a lot of sunlight, which I love. Currently, it has some workout equipment that anyone hardly uses, and I just think that it's a waste of space right now. So I decided to start this makeover project. It also has beautiful terracotta tile floors, which is another highlight of the room. In this vlog, I'm just going to clean out the space first so that I can plan and picture a layout in my head more clearly. Just looking at it at first sight, I'm not really fond of the curtains, so they're definitely going, and I'm also repainting the grey wall because I'm going for a cozy, warm vibe for this room, and since this grey is a cool tone one, I am going to repaint it. I don't know how I'm going to move this.
A few moments later.
I gave up. I gave up. What else can I do? I can take out the curtains.
Feel a mile high when you're on my side, high up in the sky.
What are you doing? Say hi. Hi.
Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side. One way ticket, I want you in my life.
I just finished cleaning. Cannot wait to set up my table here, but just imagine the windowsills full of plants. I am going to move the treadmill, but not by myself because it's too late. I also realized that they have wheels, so it must mean that I can move it somehow, but I have not figured that out yet. And there are more wheels down there as well, so I just have to figure out how to move them. But not today. Today we're going to get the paint.
A few moments later.
We got the paint finally, and it is this one. It is the Berger Easy Clean Luxury Emulsion Interior Wall Paint, and it is in the shade Lilies of the Valley. I also got a paintbrush, and I also got a roller brush. I think this is the 6-inch one. It also comes with some gloves, and I didn't have that last time. The reason I get the Easy Clean paint is because since it's going to be my art studio, there might be times that I get paint on my walls, but you just need to clean it with a damp cloth. Usually just a damp cloth works fine, but sometimes I mix it with a little bit of soap and the stain comes right off. Now I just need to stop wasting time and get started. It's just one wall, and I'm hoping that I can finish it within 2 hours. Already almost 3:30, and I'm hoping to be done by 6. So let's get started.
One eternity later.
Please open, man. Oh, thank God. Oh no. that was supposed to happen. So bad. Trust the process.
Find my way through the hotel lobby. Ain't the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. Ain't the same when I'm on my own. Uptown on the road, I've been around the floor. Rooftops, sliding doors, just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be with somebody, spending all of the night moonwalking.
It's almost dark outside, but this is where we're at. The first coat is completely done, and you can still see the difference between the white and the gray. But the second coat, this is the second coat, this is looking pretty good. So I'm not going to film the whole process, but I'm going to show you after the second coat now.
Day 2.
Today is day 2 of the painting process. I think it needs 2 more coats. Like the parts in the middle are fine, but the corners that I painted with a brush, they're still a little gray. So I think today is going to be the last day I'm going to paint, and then I'm going to film my updated desk tour because I asked on my Instagram if you wanted that, and almost 100% said yes. I don't know how to film vlogs properly, so hopefully this is going well. I'm not really sure. My whole body hurts from painting that one wall, especially this arm. I feel like I've grown a whole new muscle on this arm because it hurts so much. I overslept as well, so I should get started. So this is what the space is looking like, and there's like one patch over there. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but that patch is a little gray, so I'm gonna redo that as well. So it's gonna be a long day. As for the paint, I kind of left it like this, so it might have dried down. Hopefully it hasn't, so it's fine. I just need to add a little bit of water and then it will be fine.
A few inches later.
Can you see the difference between these two? There's still some gray area on the corners, but I am out of paint. I'm going to move to the part that I hardly show you guys in other videos, which is the cleaning part.
And with the view she could see her building, try to tell her I know I feel it. Keep me floating, I'm on my back. Slow me down when I'm living fast. You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby.
I got some curtains that I want to try out for this room. I know that it's really echoey, and I'm hoping that adding curtains will not make it so echoey. Barzani, cozy Bazanio? Yes? Okay, let's go.
Doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby. And it's the end of the night. Feel like you're dodging my eye, but then you're right by my side. Tell me what's on my mind.
Okay, so guys, this is a lot later in the day. I put up the long curtains, but I was looking for an alternative because I did not like that they were touching the floor, and I did not have a similar curtain to go on the other side, and the shorter one just did not look right to me. And I found the perfect set of curtains, and it feels like they were made for that room. these were the curtains that I put up during the day in the last clip, and as you can see, I don't really like what's going on over there. It's touching the floor, but I tested these curtains that I found and the length is just perfect. I just tried one just to see how it looks and it's perfect, and I found the whole set.
Day 3.
One of the curtains is longer than the other and it's really bothering me. I'm currently editing this vlog right now, and I think I'm going to end it right here because I don't want it to be super long, and there are going to be more vlogs in the future as well. I think in the next vlog I will be sorting out all of the furniture that's going to go in the studio. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first vlog in this makeover series. Please don't forget to leave a like if you did and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye.